Hey guys, today I will show you how to connect MetaMask to DexScreener. Make sure to follow along until the end so you don't miss any steps. So first, what you need to do is open the official DexScreener website. On the bottom left, click on Sign In, then select Connect Wallet. From the options, choose MetaMask. If you already have a MetaMask account, just sign in. If not, you can create a new wallet right there. To create one, click on I agree and follow the setup. Enter a password, then tap Create a new wallet. Next, select Secure My Wallet and copy or write down the seed phrase shown to you. Once you've stored it safely, click Next and then Done. If you haven't installed the MetaMask extension yet, go ahead and download it first, since that makes everything much easier. After setting that up, return to DexScreener and refresh the page. MetaMask will pop up asking to connect. Click Connect and then you'll move to the final step, which is verifying your account. Just click on Send Message, then when the confirmation window appears, press Confirm. And that's it. Your MetaMask wallet is now connected to DexScreener. Thanks for watching.